Hello! Welcome to Brightness Learning. Play, learn, shine.
Let's step into ABC story adventures where letters come to life. E is for elephant, a wise and gentle giant who loved to water his garden with his big splashy trunk. One morning, he planted bright sunflowers and hummed a happy tune. Just then, F is for fox, trotted by, wagging his fluffy tail.
Good morning, elephant,
Said fox.
Your garden looks amazing.
Elephant smiled.
Thank you, Fox. Would you like to plant some flowers with me?
Fox nodded, and together they planted seeds in neat little rows. Suddenly, they heard a giggle from up above. Looking up, they saw G. G is for giraffe, munching on leaves high up in the trees.
Hello down there.
Giraffe called.
I'm having my breakfast, fresh and crunchy.
Elephant chuckled.
Why don't you join us for a garden picnic later?
Giraffe nodded happily. As they set up their picnic blanket, they heard a loud splash. It was H. H is for Hippo, who had just popped out of the pond nearby.
Sorry if I had made a mess.
He laughed.
I was just playing in the water.
Everyone laughed together. Elephant brought fruit, Fox made sandwiches, Giraffe brought leafy treats, and Hippo brought watermelons. They all sat under a big shady tree and shared a wonderful picnic in the garden. And that was the end of today's ABC story adventure with elephant, fox, giraffe, and hippo. Join us next time to meet letters I, J, K, and L. Who could they be? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Brightness Learning for more magical alphabet stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.